Hi friends, welcome to our channel Aravind Trainings. Today we'll discuss about difference between git pull versus git fetch. So generally we listen frequently git pull, git fetch, but we don't know what is the difference between these two commands. Simple. See, we have remote repository, nothing but central repository. We have some changes. Working directory. Working directory is nothing but where we create files, nothing but our local workspace. And this is a local repository. In local repository, we have it is in between remote repository and working directory. For example, we have some changes in our central repository. So that changes we want in our working directory. So what we do, we execute git fetch command. So this git fetch command, we just check whether remote changes, whatever the changes present in remote repository are fetched or not, like whether it is having any latest changes or not, it will just verify. But it will not download those changes into your working directory. It will just check. Then what we have to do to download those changes into our working directory from local repository, we need to execute git merge command. After we execute git merge, then only it will download the changes from local repo to our working directory. And whereas git pull command, it directly download the changes from remote repository to working directory. Okay, so here git fetch is nothing but this git fetch command will just retrieve the information from central repository. It just check the data if there are any new changes available or not. Whereas git pull command will directly pull the latest changes from central repository to local repository. It means directly it will download the latest changes. Git pull is nothing but it is git fetch plus git merge. Now let's see the things practically. I have a repository called food application. Let me clone this repository from git bash. Git clone, execute git clone command to clone this repository. Repository is downloaded to my desktop. This one, food app. This folder we can see assets folder, favicon icon, index.html, readme.txt. Whatever changes are present here, everything is available. Now I'll add some changes. Let me open this readme.txt file. I will delete this particular line. I will delete this food app line. I'll do the changes from remote repository here only. I'm just deleting this and committing the changes directly to master branch. Yes, it is updated just now. The changes are committed. So come to our workspace here in readme.txt. See this line food app, it is available, right? Now let's execute git fetch command and check. Go to food app repository and execute git fetch. What git fetch command will do, it will just verify the changes if any new changes are available or not. It will just retrieve the information, but it will not download. See, I have executed git fetch. It is just telling there are some changes available, but it actually not downloaded. Let's verify from here. Go to readme.txt. We can still see this food app line. In line number 4, we can see the content food app. That means the line is not deleted yet. Now let's do git merge. What merge will do? Git merge will merge the changes from local repo to your working directory. See, the line is deleted. If you go there and refresh, It is asking to reload. The line got deleted, right? So git fetch is nothing but it will just check whether the change is available or not, and it will not download. When you do git merge, then only it will download. Now let's do git pull command. I will add some more changes. I'll add here one line, Aravind Trainings. Commit the changes directly to master branch. Changes are committed just now. So let's go to git bash and do git pull. So directly it downloaded the changes. If you observe here, fast forwarded, one file changed, one insertion, one deletion. Reload, we can see here, Aravind Trainings. Git pull is nothing but it is git fetch plus git merge. It will directly download the changes from central repository, nothing but remote repository to our working directory. So that is the difference between git fetch and git pull. Thank you.